Hi guys, and welcome back, and hello if you are new. So today I'm going to be doing a B&M and Home Bargains haul. I've done one trip to B&M and 2 trips to Home Bargains, and there was a lot of stuff in Home Bargains. So I want to get through it as quick as possible. Last time I said B&M, pulled it out the bag. This time it was definitely Home Bargains, so I'm going to get straight into it. And I'm going to start with B&M because I didn't get very much in B&M at all. So there was only literally a few bits. I grabbed a little Nivea Pearl and Beauty deodorant. This is one of my favourites to use, so I grabbed that. I think that was about £1. And then I grabbed 2 of these little mini Fabulosas. I love how small they are and how you can just pop them in your handbag. I got the scents Electrify and Opulence, but they were they were on sale for 79p. Yes, I just thought, oh, really handy, and they look really cute too, so I grabbed 2 of those. I then did start grabbing some Christmas bits. I thought this candle was really sweet. I don't know if you can see, but there's like a little Christmas tree inside, which is actually the candle. So I don't think it's actually going to last too long, but I thought it was really cute, and I think I'm going to put it in the background of my video. This was £2, and it's just in a little glass jar with some sort of glitter on, but I just thought this was really sweet. The last thing I grabbed from B&M was this really cute stag. I absolutely loved him. He won't be to everybody's taste, but he has like this sort of shimmer to him and this sort of pattern, so he sparkles. This was £3, and this is from, again, I think from their Nordic range, but he is really sweet, and he's also going to live in the background of my videos closer to Christmas. So yeah, that is literally everything I got in B&M. It was really short and sweet, but it's made up for by how much I got in Home Bargains. So I'm going to try and start off with some of the more everyday stuff and then get into some of the better stuff towards the end. So bear with me. Just for some of the boring stuff to be out of the way, the first thing I bought was the Mrs. Hinch all-in-one bold pods. I just really wanted to try these. These have been opened and I have tried them, and I can confirm that they are actually really nice. These are in the winter edition. Are these Rose Wonderland as well? Yeah, these are the Rose Wonderland pods, and I also grabbed the Rose Wonderland softener. These are actually really nice, and it's nice to have something for a change because I always tend to pick up the same stuff, so they were really nice. I think, again, I'm not sure if I have my receipt for the prices, but I think these are like £4.99, and I think this might be, I want to say £2.99 or £3.99, but I'm not 100% sure. But they had loads of this, so if you can get down there and it's something you want to try, hopefully you'll be able to get your hands on it. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go through the receipt after, and I'm going to put the prices on the screen because I can never find what I'm looking for, and it takes up so much time. I end up running out of battery and running out of disk space, so I'm just going to put them on the screen. And then just trusty old backup. I love Spring Awakening, so I always grab extra just in case I need it. So I managed to get pods, and I also got the Unstoppables. I really love Spring Awakening, and it's one of my all-time favourites, and I always sort of go back to it. So I had these just in case I didn't like the other ones, but I do, so they'll all be getting used. And last but not least, in Spring Awakening is also the Febreze Air Mist, again because I just love it. I also really enjoy using the Lenore crease spray. I use that on clothes and on bedding, and I absolutely love that, and this is just for the air really, so I grabbed that, and I want to say they're about £1.99, I think. I lied, there is some more stuff in Spring Awakening. I think I can promise this is the last one, but these are the 3 Volution plug-in air fresheners, and I actually really like these around the house. These do really last, and they really make a room smell nice. I don't know about a bigger room because a lot of the rooms in my house are small, but they really do work, so I grabbed these. And again, you get like a double pack, so I want to say that these are about £4.99 as well, but I'm not 100% sure. Now I think that's the last of the Spring Awakening. Just got some soap. I really like this. I'm about 5, and so is my partner apparently, but I really like the Love Heart Fun Edition, so we just picked up some of that because he prefers to use that rather than the fancy soaps, so I grabbed that, and I think that was 99p. Cotton buds because I'm running out of these. I do actually want to start getting into the reusable ones because I know how much things like this have an effect on the environment, but the only problem is I use these obviously for my ears, but I use them for my makeup as well, so I don't know how that works with the reusable ones. Maybe you buy one for makeup and maybe you buy one for your ears, I don't know, but maybe it's something I'll have to look into. But yeah, so I got some of those. I've obviously gone mad on scents in this haul, but I grabbed some of the Febreze Unstoppable fabric refresher. Again, I love Unstoppables, so I thought I would grab this, and I have actually used this and it's actually really, really nice. But what with this and then obviously the crease spray and the air fresheners, I've got to be careful because who needs that much stuff? So now I will refrain from picking up any more smellies. That being said, one more. Because it is Christmas, I grabbed the Air Mist in Silent Night Mountain Fresh. I actually smell a cookie, I think it was a cookie one in Asda, and I wished I'd picked it up because I haven't actually seen it anywhere else, and it was really nice. But again, it was like a food one and a Christmas one, so this one's a little bit more fresh. It's just really nice. It smells a little bit like a perfume. My partner actually said, I sprayed it yesterday and he said, oh, it smells a bit like a perfume. So it's quite strong, but it's really, really, really nice. My partner also managed to sneak this into the basket again because, like I said, he's 5 and he likes this. But no, I must admit, I do really like the smell of this. It's so much better than some of the other hand sanitizers, but as long as they work, I don't really care. This is just the Love Hearts hand sanitizer too, and I think this is about £2.49. Now, getting on to some of the more fun stuff, I'm going to do a couple of the Christmas things at the end. And I'm just going to do what I've got here for now. I got some of these rose gold styling clips. I thought they might be really nice when you're pinning your hair back. I still think these might give you a kink. So I do want to get some with the little bits of foam or whatever they are in the middle. But I thought these looked really pretty and they'd be nice for doing my hair. I think that, again, these were about £1. And again, I obviously am addicted, you probably know, to rose gold. So I saw this and it just went straight in the basket. This is, I do really like Carmex though. This is the Carmex Moisturising Lip Balm in Sugar Plum. So I can't wait to try this. It soothes, it relieves and it moisturises. So absolutely can't wait to try that. And then I grabbed this. Now, this is a really, really lovely present for someone. Unfortunately, I did pick this up for myself just because I absolutely love the style of it with the light rose gold and the white. I thought it was really, really pretty. But I definitely, if I go back, will be picking this up because I think my niece would absolutely love this. And she's getting to that age now. I thought she was a bit young because she's not really into makeup yet, but you can always save it for when you are. So I think I will grab her one of these. Again, this is just so pretty. I picked this up. Again, I might use this as gifts. I picked them up because I really like them, but if it comes to it, I can always obviously gift them because I'm not, you know, I don't have to open them. But it just says the adventure begins, and it's on this really nice sort of baby pink suede looking case. And it, yeah, I think it's just really, really pretty with the rose gold detailing on the front. And this is just a journal. I'm interested to see what's inside because it's quite big, but yeah, I thought it was really, really pretty. I've actually lost a little bit of the light, but I just really wanted to quickly show you inside because it's actually really nice. So you get like these little, if it will focus, so you get these little stickers which I think are so pretty, and just the colours. And you get, I think you get a couple of pages of those, and then you've got like a little organiser section which is really nice, and then this really pretty book says make today amazing, and there's like a to-do list, and then at the back there's some like a planner which I just think is really, really nice, and I'm definitely going to get lots of use out of this, so I just quickly wanted to show you what that was like because I think this would make a really nice gift. They also done one in navy blue with like rose gold stars on, which if I saw it I'd definitely pick it up again, like for a gift idea. Yeah, so that was the little book. And then I saw this, and this is a silky satin sleep set. Now I do have a silk pillow because I'm trying to get sort of healthy hair, healthy skin, and but I haven't actually used it for a while. I bought one in white and it really sort of discolours easily. So I saw this, and this is obviously a satin sleep set, and you get, what do you get in here? You get a soft pillowcase, a soft eye mask and a soft hairband, and I thought this was really, really pretty. Again, it would make a lovely gift for somebody. I would be really chuffed to get this. This was, I think, £4.99, but I think this is really, really lovely. And I can't wait to see, hopefully the quality is as nice as it looks, and I can't wait to try that. I also grabbed some baubles because I just thought these were so lovely and so dreamy. They're just these clear sort of baubles with these little white feathers in. They just remind me so much of like angels and Christmas and just all things pretty. So I am actually going to save these for my tree for when I move out because I already have some for here, but I want to do a different theme for next year. I thought I was moving out before December. It might be after now, but it just means that I get to decorate a whole new tree next year. So yeah, I'm really glad we've got these. I think these are about £1.99. And last but not least, I got this really pretty wreath. It's very simplistic and it might not be to everyone's taste, but I just thought I really liked it for something quite simple. And yeah, something I like bigger, sort of thicker wreaths on the door, but this might look nice maybe inside the house on a door, or if you've got two doors, like a porch or a back door maybe. But yeah, I just love it because it's really sparkly and it's really Christmassy. And yeah, I just grabbed it. It wasn't very expensive. I think this was £2.99. It's like, and breathe. I hope I didn't rush through that too much. I just didn't want this video to be super long. Hopefully you guys really enjoyed this haul, and like I said, rather than faffing about with the receipt, I will put the prices. Hopefully they'll be in this video as I'm talking. I need to try and stay away for a little while, clearly, because not only is it about spending, but it's about where to put all this stuff. So yeah, anyway, without rambling on, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.
Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright.